Hello, welcome to Photoshop Ultimate. When it comes to customizing Photoshop interface, something else that you can do is to customize the edit toolbar, and you can find it at the bottom of your tool. And once you right click on it, you can click on the edit toolbar option, and that will usher in the edit toolbar dialog box. So you can see all the tools that can be found in Adobe Photoshop, and you can see all the shortcut keys that are binded to particular tool. So on the move tool, let's close the edit toolbar option and let's look at a few things. Now you can see this is the move tool, and now under the move tool category you have the artboard tool and the move tool as well. And you can see all the tools that are under this collection. You can see all of them here alongside the shortcut key, and now that is what the edit toolbar is all about. And now I can choose to change the shortcut key that is associated with this if I'm not too okay with it. But then you have to understand that this has been tested and tried, so you don't have to change this. But then I'm just telling you that you can if you want, and it's going to work. You can see this is the shortcut key that is associated to this category. And you can see all the toolbar that you have. Okay, and at the bottom you can see you have these other options right here. I can choose to turn this off. You can see that disappear from the toolbar panel. You can choose to turn it back on. You can see it has reappeared. You can see. All right, now there are some other options that are hidden here. Now if your screen resolution is not large enough like mine, you discover that some things are hidden. Now if you want them revealed, you can easily go down to your desktop, right click, and then go to display settings. Okay, so under the display settings you change the scale and layout from 150 to, let's say, 125%. Now you should be able to see everything as far as the screen is concerned. So now there you have it. You can see what we have. You can see everything is now in view. Now let me quickly switch it back. That's just for demonstration purpose. I can switch it back to 150. Now that we've done that, I can go back to the edit toolbar and then we'll continue. Alright, now once you turn this off, you discover you can no longer see the edit toolbar, and once you click done, you discover it's missing here. So how can you go back to the edit toolbar? You can go back by going to edit and going to the toolbar option right here, and you can see it. So once I click on it, you can see it reappears back here. Now if you need more room, you can always turn this off, so you can see this other option right here. So I'm going to turn it off since I don't have more room on my screen. All right, so having turned it off, now the next thing we're going to look at is the save preset. Now that I've been able to do this, I can save the preset. So I can go to documents and I will just call it my tools. Now you can see the extension is .tbr, and I save it under document. So you can see we've done that. Having saved it, let me restore it back to the default. Once I restore it back to default, it's all that this option is going to turn back on. Remember, I turned it off. So let's see, you can see it has turned back on. So this was the default. Now let's go back to the load preset, the option that we saved. So you can see my tool, the TBR, load it. You can see it was loaded, and remember we turned it off. So that is how easily you can customize your edit toolbar. So I'll see you guys in the next video.